Let's learn how to switch on the machine. First, switch on the main power from the electricity switchboard. Then, switch on the voltage stabilizer. The power indicator on the stabilizer turns on. Turn on the power selector switch by rotating it in clockwise direction. This action turns on the power on indicator and hydraulic power pack. Now, press power on push button from the operator panel. The emergency stop alarm is displayed on the screen. Turn emergency stop push button in clockwise direction. At last, press the alarm cancel key. The message disappears from the screen, and machine ready indicator turns on. Note, after switching on the machine axis should be moved to the zero return, ZRN, or reference point, REF.